お、今日は今日のビデオ撮れてます。珍しいですね。今日は掃除をしました。どうでもいいか。で、ジムに行って、胸やって、重たいのは使いすぎて、肩を壊しました。So I did chest today. Oh, sorry. In the morning I cleaned my room, and in the gym I did chest training, and I got injured on my shoulder, left side, and I played bowling with Yoshi, Kana, me. Oh, who's missing? Fran. Yeah, sorry, Fran. Yeah, we had 3 teams. Me and Toshi, Fran, Yoshi, Kane, and I won. Our team, we won, and I was number. But my score was 96, just only 96. And we're going to go to bowling tomorrow again because we have free ticket. And we can play 2 or 3 more games. Yeah, that's good. I think Yoshi wanna play team deathmatch again. Yeah. And I'm just going back to home now. It's like 12 and have dinner and study, eat, or that's it. Have a good night, guys. Bye bye.